Do you know 81% of brands and 84% of publishers are using the power of affiliate marketing, a number that continues to increase every year. And you will be amazed to know people are making $100 to $25,000 from an Amazon affiliate website, depending on the amount of traffic, number of clicks, and actual number of sales. But here is the catch. How do you actually make money as an affiliate marketer? Hi guys, my name is Shelly, and in this video I'm gonna tell you some basic steps on how to make money as an affiliate marketer. Let's jump on my screen. I will share a mind map so you can understand better. But before that, let us start by understanding how affiliate marketing works. Simply put, affiliate marketing involves promoting a product and offer by sharing it on a blog, social media platforms, or on website. Sounds easy, but wait, it's not that easy because it takes a lot of time, effort, and expertise to be an affiliate marketer, even though it is quite flexible as compared to your regular marketing. So let me help you with a few steps which can make you a successful affiliate marketer. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button as well. So let us begin with step number 1, which is choosing products and offers wisely. You know, the most common mistake that newbies make in the affiliate marketing is that they get overwhelmed and promote everything by registering with different affiliate programs. To avoid this mistake, try being more specific while you choose the offers that you want to promote. This will help you in getting a targeted audience. Now, for example, you are in the make money online niche like me. So what will you do? You will choose those offers which will help people in making money, right? You won't choose an offer, let's say a weight loss product, and promote that to your make money online audience. That will be a complete waste of your time and effort. So you need to choose offers wisely and then promote it to the right set of audience. Now, moving to our next point number 2, that is use several traffic sources. See, there is nothing bad in promoting your product or offer by only one means, but clearly, if you want to stay ahead in the competition, you should definitely go for more than one source. Let me explain it to you by an example. See, if I promote a branded gadget through email marketing, few people can click the link. But what if I take it to some social media site, let's say Instagram? What will happen is my chances of finding some interested buyers for my product will likely increase. So go ahead and use different platforms like emails, blogs, social media, or other sources to increase your reach. Okay. Our third step is research on demand of products. Understanding the market needs is very important to sail through the changing waters of market trends. But why is it so? Well, it's simply because you cannot sell something that is not in demand, no matter how hard you work on your marketing tricks, right? So try analyzing your sales chart, view your weekly, monthly, or annual traffic to explore customers' behavior. Check what they like or what not. Also, keep an eye on which is the most demanded product in your niche. Now, let's look into our fourth step, which is quite important for you to grow as an affiliate marketer, and that is to follow new trends and techniques. You already know the existing competition in the affiliate marketing is increasing day by day, right? And that is the reason why everybody wants to make money by affiliating with sites. But only those who work with a dynamic environment of business stay on top, correct? So try to find new techniques and methods that fit your business in the best way, and make sure to stay up to date with new affiliate marketing strategies as it increases your conversion rate. So I would suggest you don't be afraid of experimenting, as it will help you to learn and grow. Now heading down the road, let's hit our fifth step, which is test, measure, and track. You need to track and measure your performance for each step or marketing method separately. This will help you to know what's working for you and what's not. So try to place ad banners on different areas of your website, and also use conversion tracking software to know what happens after a consumer interacts with your ad. And the last step is take help of tools. So lastly, I will say a smart affiliate marketer is the one who keeps all the useful tools with him. And for you, I'm gonna suggest 3 wonderful tools to begin with that will help you start your career as an affiliate marketer. First one is Mobile Monkey. It is one of the best chatbot tools as it allows you to engage with customers and provide real-time support. In fact, according to a study, chat softwares like Mobile Monkey increase website engagement rates by 3 times. Second one is Volume. It is an ad tracking tool that is designed specifically for affiliate marketers. Volume analyzes all your ad campaigns and track data to give useful insights and optimize your ads performance. Last tool that you can use is FJet. FJet is a network performance analytics for affiliate marketers. It allows you to see all your different network earnings on one dashboard, which is pretty awesome. So you can focus on the right place and eliminate poor performing links and help you even earn better. So these were the top-notch steps on how to make money as an affiliate marketer. Don't forget to tell us your suggestions and questions in our comment sections below. At last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want to invite you to join my Facebook group. Link is mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right away. Okay, I look forward to engaging with you in that group. I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it so far. Cheers. Bye bye.